Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Trade Empire. For being good trader, you must know about indicators, trading strategy, and some other technical things which others don't know. But the question is how? From where will you learn about all of these things in simple way? Don't worry my friends, we have made this channel to help you for understanding this indicators and strategies. You just like our videos and subscribe our channel, so you cannot miss any of our upcoming videos. Now let us understand today's topic. Today, in this video, I will explain about a very important indicator, and that is MACD. The full form of MACD is Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Like moving average, MACD also moves in the direction as the price move. So it is also called trend following indicator. MACD is formed with the combination of two different types of EMA. As you can see in the chart, there are mainly four parts of MACD. First is MACD line. It is calculated by the difference between 26 EMA and 12 EMA. Second is signal line. It is the 9 EMA of MACD line. Third is MACD histogram, and fourth is zero line. We can get trade signal with the help of MACD line and signal line. Let me explain how. When MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, it is called bullish crossover, and during this we can get the buy signal. Similarly, when MACD line crossover the signal line, it is called bearish crossover, and during this we can get the sell signal. During uptrend, 12 EMA will be above the 26 EMA, so MACD line will be above the zero line. During downtrend, 12 EMA will be below the 26 EMA, so MACD line will be below the zero line. Now let us understand MACD histogram. It indicates the difference between the signal line and MACD line. Thus, when MACD line is above the signal line, our histogram will be above the zero line, and it will show the green bars. But when the MACD line is below the signal line, the histogram remains below the zero line, and it shows the red bars. In many strategies histogram is also used, but in our strategy, we don't need histogram. With only MACD line we cannot trade, so we will use it with other effective ideas for great trades. The name of our strategy is trend following strategy. Mainly there are two possibilities of the movement of the stock. Either it will move in trending zone, or it will move in sideways zone. In this strategy, our job is to find high convergence zones, and to enter during the pullbacks at right time. So, first of all we have to find the trend of the stock, and you know EMA is great tool to explore the trending zone. So, we will plot 150 EMA to find the trend of the stock. When the price is above the EMA line, the price is in uptrend, and it will go ahead by taking support on EMA line. Similarly, when the price is below the EMA line, the price is in downtrend, and it will move ahead by getting resistance to the EMA line. As you can see in the chart, the price is below the 150 EMA line, so it is a downtrend. During this downtrend, we can get some sell opportunities. Now just find at which area crossover occurs between the EMA line and support or resistance line. As discussed before, during downtrend, the price gets resistance to EMA line. So, there are some chances the price reach at this level, it gets resistance from the EMA line, and after that it find reversal and continue to downtrend. If you notice, this area intersects the major level of support and resistance. It means this level provided support before some time and recently it provided resistance. And some flatness of EMA also indicates this level to be our next resistance to the price, thus there are chances for the price to get resistance over here and get the reversal. But we cannot get ready to sell over here by taking the base only this thing. We will require the help of MACD to decide our trade setup. We will find the crossover of MACD line and signal line. This is a downtrend, so we will require bearish crossover. Here MACD line crossover the signal line from upside to downside, so this is a bearish crossover. Thus, we will sell over here. Our stop loss should be above the resistance line, and our target should follow 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see the result. The price get reversal after our sell setup, and it goes in the downward move. Now let us see an example for the buy setup. As you can see here, the price is above the 150-period EMA, thus it is an uptrend, so we can get the buy setup during this uptrend. At this level, the price has made support to the EMA line before, so here we can expect the price to make support at the EMA line again. Here price has made a pullback, and if you can notice, this area comes under the strong level of resistance and support. So, there are many chances for the price to make support here to the EMA line, and after that it make reversal and go an uptrend again. But as discussed before, we cannot conclude our trade setup depending on this assumption only. We need confirmation from the MACD indicator, so we can get more confidence. We will enter when the bullish crossover occurs. When MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, it is called bullish crossover. Here MACD line crossover the signal line from downside to upside, thus this is our bullish crossover. So, we will buy over here. Our stop loss should be below the support line, and our target should follow 2:1 risk-reward ratio. You can see after our entry, the price reverse, and it has made a good up move. That was all. Dear friends, if you liked this video then hit the like button, and I know the real smart people will definitely subscribe our channel for their better future, and thus they will not miss any of our upcoming video. Take care of yourself.